Welcome to Section 1. Introduction. YouTube, your dropshipping secret weapon. In this section, we'll dive deep into how YouTube can transform your dropshipping business. Dropshipping is booming, and the competition? It's fierce. With so many players in the market, standing out is more challenging than ever. You need an edge, and YouTube is it. This platform can be your secret weapon to outshine competitors. Think about it. Billions of users and a huge potential customer base for your products. Imagine tapping into this vast audience. YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful marketing tool. It offers unique opportunities to engage with your audience, build trust with potential customers, showcase your products, and drive traffic to your store. A well-crafted video can make all the difference. This guide will teach you how to optimize your YouTube channel to attract viewers and turn those viewers into loyal customers. From creating engaging content to using the right keywords, we've got you covered. Ready to level up your dropshipping game? Let's go. Stay tuned as we explore the strategies that will set you apart and drive your business to new heights. Moving on to Section 2, laying the foundation, channel setup and branding. First impressions matter, and your YouTube channel is no different. A well-branded channel builds trust and credibility. Choose a channel name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Use a high-quality logo and banner image that visually represents your brand identity. Create a compelling channel trailer to introduce your brand and showcase what viewers can expect. And don't forget a clear call to action. Tell viewers to subscribe and check out your store. Now let's dive into Section 3, Keyword Kingdom reigns supreme in search results. This is where the magic happens and your videos can truly shine. Keywords are key. They help people find your videos on YouTube. Without the right keywords, your content might get lost in the vast sea of videos. Think like your target customer. What words would they use to search for your products? Put yourself in their shoes and brainstorm. Use a mix of broad and long-tail keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This combination ensures you cover both general and specific search queries. Broad keywords target a wider audience, while long-tail keywords are more specific and target niche searches. This strategy helps you capture a diverse range of viewers. Don't forget about closed captions. YouTube uses these as text to understand your video content. They are an often overlooked but crucial element. Accurate captions not only improve your search ranking, but also make your videos accessible to a wider audience. This inclusivity can lead to more engagement and a loyal following. Section 4. Content is king. Craft videos that convert. In today's digital age, video content is more important than ever. Content is king on YouTube. It's the driving force behind successful channels. Create videos that are valuable, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. This means understanding their needs and preferences. Product reviews are a great way to showcase your products in action. They provide real-world insights and build credibility. Highlight the features and benefits. Make sure to clearly explain how your product can solve a problem or improve their life. Address common questions and concerns. This helps in reducing any hesitation potential customers might have. Tutorials and how-to videos are also popular. They provide step-by-step guidance and are highly appreciated by viewers. Teach viewers something new or solve a problem they have. Educational content is always in demand. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. When viewers trust you, they are more likely to convert. Don't be afraid to get creative. Creativity can set you apart from the competition. Experiment with different video formats and styles. This keeps your content fresh and engaging. The key is to create content that your audience will love. Always keep their interests and preferences in mind. Section 5. Data decoded. Using analytics to your advantage. YouTube. Analytics is a goldmine of information. It tells you what's working and what's not. Use it to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. These metrics give you insights into how engaging your videos are. Use this information to improve your content and optimize your channel for better results. Experiment with different video titles, thumbnails, and calls to action. Section 6. Conclusion. Lights, camera, dropshipping. Success. YouTube is a powerful tool for dropshippers. By optimizing your channel and creating engaging content, you can reach a massive audience and boost your sales. Remember to focus on your target audience, use relevant keywords, and track your progress using analytics. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating awesome YouTube videos today. Your dropshipping success awaits.